Hello, good morning, fifth class. Bonjour. Bonjour means good morning in French. Okay. Till now we have read our second chapter, visiting France. First we have read the first chapter, first page of our second chapter, that is visiting France. Okay. We'll revise it first, and then I will resume the remaining part of the chapter. Okay. Uh, okay. What is France, country or a city? Okay, let me know through our WhatsApp group. Okay, what is the capital of France? The capital of France is Paris. Okay, and in this chapter, visiting France, that author is trying to promote the tourism of France, and he tells us through Mr. Rajan about the visiting places of France. Mr. Rajan and Mrs. Rajan land at the Charles de Gaulle Airport in France, and they have come with their two daughters, Indrani and Alicia, to stay there for 1 year. We have read this. I am just revising it. Okay, and Mrs. Rajan is here to study the French perfume business, and she is there from the Indian government, and Mr. Rajan is there to train people as a chef, and their two daughters will join school for 1 year because they are for 1 year here. And Mr. Rajan started to tell about France to his two daughters, that Indrani and Alicia, and he tells them about India, that India is very populated, but France is less crowded than India, and it is very big in size, and there is no shortage of goods and vegetables and fruits, etc. Okay, and then he talks about the then he tells his daughters that there are vineyards, and this is the biggest vineyard in Paris. Okay, vineyards means अंगूरों की खेती करते हैं वहाँ पे वो लोग. ओके, एंड दे मेक वाइन फ्रॉम द ग्रेप्स, एंड फ्रेंच वाइन इज वेरी फेमस. ओके, and suddenly Indrani pointed and said excitedly, "Oh, there is the Eiffel Tower. It looks just like it does on postcards." That it looks like that it looks very real in the postcards. Yes, that's right, said Mr. Rajan. The Eiffel Tower is a symbol of France, just as the Taj Mahal is a symbol of India. You can see this Eiffel Tower, okay? And we have seen Taj Mahal. They are comparing these two, that Eiffel Tower is a symbol of France and Taj Mahal is a symbol of India. And Paris is a very beautiful city. Its white stone buildings gleam in the sun. The people love the outdoors, especially the parks and gardens. There are parks with ponds where the children sail by boats. In some of the parks, there are rows of trees and flowers everywhere. That there are many trees and flowers, which is why the people of Paris are proud of their city. It is also the reason why tourists love to visit this city and speak highly of it. That France is a very good country. It is well maintained, okay, and it is very neat and clean, and one should visit France once at least. Okay. Then he tells us about the capital of France, that is Paris, and it is the largest city of France, and most highways and railways in France lead to Paris. Many people in other parts of France and the world often dress according to the fashion of Paris. That fashion comes to Paris at first. Mrs. Rajan said that she had read somewhere that when Paris sneezes, the rest of France catches a cold. Her family laughed. कि अगर पेरिस में कोई भी प्रॉब्लम होती है तो सारे फ्रांस में वो प्रॉब्लम होती है. The Rajan's taxi crossed a bridge over the Seine river, the river that winds through Paris like a wet grey ribbon. This is the picture of the Seine river, you can see it. And they got out of the taxi and joined the people on the crowded street. They passed sidewalk cafes. Sidewalk cafes means small roadside restaurants. छोटे छोटे जो रेस्टोरेंट होते हैं साइड पे, होटल्स वगैरह छोटे छोटे. Okay, where people sat at little tables outdoors, eating, drinking, and talking. Okay, they were sitting outside the restaurant and they were talking. There was much to see in Paris, and Mr. Rajan took the family to visit the Musée du Louvre, one of the finest museum in the world. Okay, and this is the Musée du Louvre museum. Okay, this is the finest museum in the world. After a few weeks, the Rajans left to visit the rest of France. First, they visited Normandy. Okay. First, they visited Normandy. Okay. Normandy and Brittany, two of the oldest parts of the country. Indrani and Alicia, the daughters of that Mr. Rajan, knew that Brittany is a peninsula. You have read about the peninsula in your SST. Peninsula is an area which is covered from 3 sides with water. 3 साइड से पानी होता है और एक साइड पे लैंड. ओके, इंडिया इज अ पेनिनसुला. ओके, एंड Indrani and Alicia knew that Brittany is a peninsula, that is the land reaches out into the sea. A part of Normandy is a peninsula too. They found this part of France very cool and pleasant. This is Brittany. Okay, the Rajans, they found this part of France very cool and pleasant, and sometimes there were storms from the ocean and it rained a little almost every day. हर रोज बारिश होती थी थोड़ी बहुत. The people there, mainly farmers and fishermen, seemed a little old-fashioned. They were not too interested in trying new things, unlike the people in other parts of France. थोड़े ओल्ड फैशन थे और कम, थोड़ी नई चीज़ों को कम ट्राई करते थे. The Rajans enjoyed visiting the old seaports. They knew that long ago, in the day of wooden sailing ships, soldiers and colonialists had sailed from there. In the last days of World War II, big guns had thundered there, bombs had exploded, and bullets had ripped through the trees and gardens. Ripped मतलब tore, means बहुत सारे बॉम्ब वगैरह चले थे वहाँ पे और खराब कर दिया था उन्होंने उस सिटी को. However, the sea coast and the countryside looked very peaceful when the Rajan family visited them. बहुत मज़ा आया उन्हें. Okay, and this is all about our lesson visiting France. Okay, au revoir means bye, have a good day. Okay, and read this lesson properly. I will give you hard words and word meanings in the next class. Okay, have a good day, bye.